Dear ICMS community, things have moved quickly this week with COVID-19. Our vigilance since January has kept us ahead of the game so far in protecting our students and staff. I can update you with some key decisions that I've made towards the end of this week, dealing with travel, emergency plans, ICMS events, and news about how we're going online. Firstly, I'd like to start with travel advice for students and staff in regards to international travel. Our advice is avoid international travel. Simple as that. Should people ignore this advice, they'll need to complete a 14-day self-isolation period upon return, plus provide a fit for work medical certificate from an Australian-based doctor before coming to a campus or facility run by ICMS. For Australian and New Zealand travel, exercise the normal travel precautions. An emergency plan for the college has also been approved. It has 4 stages and has clear instruction for our department leaders what is expected. The college is now at stage 2 out of 4 in the medium risk band. Managers need to work closely with their staff and prepare for stage 3. When talking about ICMS events, ICMS has postponed all events with external guests until the 30th of April. This includes tomorrow's banquet, the Deans and Scholarship sessions, graduation, and Industry Training's Career Hub. Now I would like to hand over to DVC Learning and Teaching Margot McNeil so that she can fill you in about what's going on in the online space. I'd just like to conclude by saying this is a finite circumstance and we're prepping and responding to the situation, and we'll give you more news if it's forthcoming. Anyway, Margot.
Thanks, Dom. Hello, and for all of us, the COVID-19 situation has added extra uncertainty to the start of the year. Please be assured that since the outset of the travel bans, we have at the college have been putting in place plans for how best to help our students and staff with online support. All classes currently have Moodle spaces with access to presentation slides, learning activities and assessment instructions, and if it's required in the near future, we could rapidly move to fully online delivery for a week or 2 or even for the longer term. We hope the situation improves, but if it should deteriorate rapidly, our priority is the safety of our students and staff, and we could shift to online from as early as next week. We assure you that the online learning at ICMS will not take away from the quality that you've experienced so far. We will still offer meaningful and authentic learning opportunities. There'll be a continuation of the learning outcomes, and you'll undertake learning that's in line with the mandated curriculum. Taking studies off campus in light of the unique situation in which we find ourselves will not affect the continuous monitoring and assessments that are part of your tertiary education experience. In the meantime, please keep up to date with the latest COVID-19 announcements on the news section of our website. And most importantly of all, please do what you can to keep healthy. We will get through this together.